2016 Subaru Outback with Flo Pro split dual exhaust. Aluminized tubing is shown, but we also offer stainless steel. Smooth bends are shown, but we also offer mandrel bends. With single and dual systems available and dozens of tips in stock, we have you covered for all your exhaust needs. Thank you, Chris, for making the 240-mile drive from Salem, Oregon. Interior tone level is mild with this Flo Pro Max split dual exhaust. You can pick your sound and your tips before you buy it. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle, we have you covered with AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See it and hear it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.